Hello, my name is Eva and I'm here to show you how you can easily and quickly create a video script for your product, service, software, whatever, really easily using the video script software. So the first thing that we need to do after logging into our profile is head on to the menu over here on the left hand side and click on the expand button. The first thing that we want to do if we're using this software for the first time is just click on create script. And the first thing that we're going to see is a window popping up asking us to name our script. So I'm going to name it Eva's Product Test, for example, and I'm going to select the niche being online marketing. Now we'll see 4 options of templates popping up over here, and all we need to do is just hover over each one to see what kind of script it's going to produce. So template number 1 is going to produce quite a long script for us. It's more of a generic classic video script, as we can see from the description on the right, and if that's not something that's right for us, we just go and hover over the second one to see what the second one is. The second one is specifically for software creators. Number 3 is for promoting software and is relatively shorter compared to the other templates. And number 4 is for information products online. I'm going to go with template number 1 just for the purposes of showing you how to go through it, and click on get started. Now we have come to our canvas. On the right hand side you can see that there's a blank My Script window, and this is where our script is going to be populated. This is where we are going to build our script. And on the left hand side there's a number of sentences that we can start to look at. So over here we have 4 sentences, and we can look through each one and decide which one we would like to go with. So for example, I'll click on this one and it gets automatically populated here. Now the second step after selecting the correct sentence is going down and seeing these prompts over here. So it tells me that in order to customize my script I need to enter my name in here, so I'm going to enter in Eva, and it's going to populate over here instead of the caps lock your name words. And the next thing that I can do is also do the same for what kind of goals in here. Now after I finish customizing it, all I need to do is click on next, and I'm going to go through the exact same process again. I'm going to click on the sentence that helps me the most for the product that I'm trying to promote, and then I'm going to customize it down here, and I'll keep going next and next and next and next until I finish and reach the 25th step. Now because this is a longer script, obviously there are a lot more steps in here, but you get the picture. Now after I have actually customized it on the left hand side in these little red boxes, I can also go in here and I can customize it straight from here. So I might write in A, B, C, for example. So this software gives you the ability to be as customizable, as personalized as you want, and you have 2 ways of customizing it, either through these boxes here or or through just populating the extra words you need in here. Now once I'm finished, once I want to save my script, I don't even have to go through all the steps, or if I do finish and go through all the steps, in order to save I just need to click on save and continue, and my script has been finished. Now depending on the membership level, you will be able to export your script as a PDF, PowerPoint, Word document, anything you want, anything that's going to make this video script easier for you to apply to your goals. Now, the last thing that I want to show you is how can you get back the scripts that you've done in the past? Or what if the internet times out and for some reason you think that you've lost your entire script? Well, I need to go back into my menu and expand it and go into Open Script, and I will see all of the scripts in here, and I can see, for example, that this is my most recent one that I made. I can go in and edit it if I want to, and we're right back from where we ended, I guess, in the last one. As you can see, this software is super easy, it's super simple to follow, and it means that you're also going to create some of the most highly converting videos for your business. All the very best, and to your success.